Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be seeing top 10 best hospitals in the world. This video will be interesting, so watch it without skipping the video. So come on, let's go into the video. Number 10. Sheba Medical Center, Tel Aviv. About it. Sheba Medical Center provides innovative, personalized medical care to patients from around the world. They are the largest, most comprehensive hospital in the Middle East and dedicated to providing advanced and compassionate medicine for everyone. They welcome all cases, including the rarest and the most challenging. Patients per year 1.5 million, beds 1580, and total staffs 6850. Number 9. Center Hospitalier Universitaire Vaduz, Switzerland. About it. The Center Hospitalier Universitaire Vaduz CHUV is one of 5 Swiss university hospitals. Thanks to its collaboration with the Faculty of Biology and Medicine at the University of Lausanne, CHUV is a European leader in medical treatment, medical research and training. Patients per year 45,000, beds 1568, and total staffs 9,000 approximate. Number 8. Singapore General Hospital, Singapore. About it. Singapore General Hospital SGH has been ranked the 3rd best hospital in the world by Newsweek magazine on 2019, in part for its clinical research and outstanding nursing. It comes behind 2 American hospitals, the Mayo Clinic and Cleveland Clinic. Patients per year 1 million approximate, beds 1785, and total staffs 10,000. Number 7. Karolinska University, Sweden. About it. The Karolinska University Hospital is a teaching hospital affiliated with Karolinska Institute in Stockholm, Sweden, with 2 major sites in the municipalities of Solna and Huddinge. The hospital network is the 2nd largest in Sweden after Sahlgrenska University Hospital. Patients per year 1.6 million, beds 1340, and total staffs 15,800. Number 6. Charité Universitätsmedizin, Berlin. About it. The Charité Universitätsmedizin Berlin is a joint medical faculty of the Humboldt University and Free University Berlin. Today has numerous collaborative research centers of the Deutsche Forschungsgemeinschaft and is one of Germany's most research-intensive medical institutions. Patients per year 8 lakh, beds 3,000, and total staffs 15,500. Number 5. The Johns Hopkins Hospital, Baltimore. About it. The Johns Hopkins Hospital is the teaching hospital and biomedical research facility of the Johns Hopkins School of Medicine located in Baltimore, Maryland, US. It was founded in 1889 using money from a bequest of over $7 million by city merchant, banker and financier, civic leader and philanthropist Johns Hopkins. Patients per year 4 million, beds 1162, and total staffs 30,000. Number 4. Toronto General University Health Network, Toronto. About it. The Toronto General Hospital is a major teaching hospital in Toronto, Ontario, Canada, and the flagship campus of University Health Network. It is leading the way in cardiac care, organ transplants, and the treatment of complex patient needs. Patients per year 20,000 approximate, beds 417, and total staffs 2,419. Number 3. Massachusetts General Hospital, Boston. About it, Massachusetts General Hospital is the original and largest teaching hospital of Harvard Medical School located in the West End neighborhood of Boston, Massachusetts. It is the third oldest general hospital in the United States and has a capacity of 999 beds. Patients per year 50,000 approximate, beds 1011 and total staffs 74,000 approximate. Number 2. Cleveland Clinic, Cleveland. About it, Cleveland Clinic has pioneered many medical breakthroughs including coronary artery, bypass surgery and the first phase transplant in the United States. US News and World Report consistently names Cleveland Clinic as one of the nation's best hospitals in its annual America's Best Hospital survey. Patients per year 10 million, beds 7,296 and total staffs 68,700. Number 1. Mayo Clinic, Rochester. About it, the Mayo Clinic is a non-profit American academic medical center focused on integrated healthcare, education and research. With a focus on caring for patients with serious, complex illness, Mayo Clinic operates in 5 states and cares for more than 1 million people a year from all 50 states and nearly 140 countries. Mayo Clinic is ranked number 1 in the nation by US News and World Report. Patients per year 1 million, beds 2,059 and total staffs 63,000. Thank you all for watching this video. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Please like, share and comment. New viewers, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon near to it to stay tuned. See you on next video. Thank you and bye.